Hey, it's Average Mike. I'm down in Tijuana right now. We were up in Denver for the 4th of July and got rained out. That sucked. So today, even though it's not 4th of July anymore, I'm gonna do a homemade fireworks spinner. All you need is a can, pocket knife, and some fireworks. Let's see if I can still do this. Okay, cut the top off. Straighten it out a little bit, but don't have to do that too much. You'll have time to do that afterwards. And we're going to cut the bottom off. Cut the bottom off. Dr. Pepper, because my wife doesn't let me drink much Monster anymore. And cut it down the middle. Fold it in half. Oh, Spider-Man's on it. Careful not to cut your fingers off doing this. That's close enough. Yeah, because these fireworks are a little bit bigger than the ones we used back in New York. And we're going to have to use both pieces of this. I'll probably just fold this over about there. And fold this one over. About there. Give more or less. Now you peel this back. So one in here, fold it over, and using the pliers on this multi-tool, you squeeze it together around the plastic. Probably should just do this like this. Yeah, there we go. That'll probably hold. If not, we'll know about it in a few minutes. Now this one here, you're going to want it pointing the opposite way. This way it'll spin, rather than just sit there and sparks flying off it. Either way, it's still cool to look at. And squeeze that together just a little bit. And this. I really should have used a Monster can for this. And that's basically it. And then bend it up a little bit, just so it's not going to, less chance it's just going to sit. You want the wicks pointed out, as you can see. Alright, we're almost ready to light this thing. I'm going to stop this now because there's not much to look at right now. Hey, it's a few hours later. Obviously, we're going to light this thing up now. We're going to use a sparkler to do it, so I got room to run away.
¿Ya?
Pero
necesitamos romper esa
light
cosa.
me up. Préndelo.
Ah, sí. ¿No se le tiene que quitar primero eso?
Voy a poner eso aquí.
No tengo que
Light
quitar
me
eso.
up.
No
Light
podemos
me up.
quitar esto. Ok, a ver. Prendemos. Ay. Tengo miedo. Uy.
Do it again.
Hola. Ahí está. ¡Oh, my! ¡Qué raro! No quiero ir, no quiero ver.
Tienes que grabarlo,
Hola, vecino. ¡Vaya, tengo miedo!
Okay, here you go.
No
You want
más.
to play with a sparkler?
¿Eh?
You want to play with a sparkler?
A ver, ¿eh? Uy.
Yep.
De Mike.
No pude ver yo.
There you have it, folks.
Yo no pude
I
ver.
think. Hopefully he got it, because if not, we just wasted that for nothing.
Yo no pude ver.
Well, let's see how that turned out.
Miren, chicos. Yo quería
Thanks
ver.
for rolling with Average Mike.